There is something dangerous at the end of the video. Rheinmetall Rosy Rapid Obscuring System is a vehicle protection system that uses a multispectral smokescreen to obscure the vehicle from enemy observation and targeting. It can be used to protect against a variety of threats, including visual observation. The smokescreen obscures the vehicle from view in the visible spectrum, making it difficult for enemy observers to identify and track the vehicle. Infrared IR observation. The smokescreen also obscures the vehicle in the IR spectrum, making it difficult for enemy IR sensors to track the vehicle. Laser targeting. The smokescreen can also disrupt laser targeting systems, making it difficult for enemy forces to target the vehicle with laser-guided weapons. Rheinmetall Rosy is a modular system that can be installed on a variety of vehicles, including tanks, armored fighting vehicles, and trucks. The system is easy to operate and can be deployed in a matter of seconds. Rheinmetall Rosy has been used in combat operations by a number of countries. Galvion Warfighter Lab is a purpose-built, immersive lab designed to simulate battlefield scenarios in a controlled environment to quantitatively measure the effects of cognitive and physical loads on the warfighter. The lab is located in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and is operated by Galvion, a global leader in human factors engineering and testing. The Warfighter Lab is a one-of-a-kind facility that allows researchers to study the effects of a variety of factors on warfighter performance, including physical stress. The lab can simulate a variety of physical stressors, such as heat, cold, and fatigue. Cognitive stress. The lab can simulate a variety of cognitive stressors, such as time pressure and information overload. Equipment. The lab can be used to test the usability and effectiveness of new equipment and technologies. The Warfighter Lab is a valuable tool for researchers and developers who are working to improve the performance and safety of warfighters. The Elbit System's Sectional Personnel Bridge, SPB, is a lightweight, rapidly deployable bridge system that can be used to span gaps in roads, rivers, and other obstacles. The SPB is designed to be used by military forces, civil engineering teams, and disaster relief organizations. The SPB is made up of a number of individual sections that can be quickly and easily assembled. Each section is made of aluminum and weighs less than 200 pounds. The SPB can be transported by truck, helicopter, or even by hand. The SPB can be used to span gaps of up to 60 feet. The bridge can support a load of up to 70 tons, which is sufficient for most military vehicles. The SPB can be assembled in a matter of minutes by a small team of personnel. The SPB has been used by military forces around the world. The bridge has been used in combat operations in Afghanistan, Iraq, and other countries. The SPB has also been used in disaster relief operations. VAPOR is an acronym for Versatile Aerosol Platform for Ocean Research. It is a research project funded by the National Science Foundation, NSF, to develop a new type of research vessel that will be used to study the ocean. The VAPOR ship will be a converted ocean-going tugboat that will be equipped with a variety of sensors and instruments to study the ocean. The ship will be able to operate in a variety of ocean environments, including the Arctic, the tropics, and the open ocean. The VAPOR project is led by a team of scientists from the University of Rhode Island, URI. The project is expected to be completed in 2026. The VAPOR ship will have a number of unique features that will make it an ideal platform for ocean research. These features include a large deck space that will allow scientists to deploy a variety of instruments and equipment, a state-of-the-art laboratory that will allow scientists to conduct experiments on board the ship. The INKAS Hudson Recon APC is an armored personnel carrier, APC, designed and manufactured by INKAS Armored Vehicle Manufacturing, a Canadian company specializing in armored vehicles. The Hudson Recon APC is based on the Ford F-550 Super Duty truck chassis and is designed to provide protection for personnel and equipment in a variety of threat environments. The Hudson Recon APC is a highly versatile vehicle that can be configured to meet the specific needs of its users. The vehicle can be equipped with a variety of mission-specific equipment, including ballistic protection. The Hudson Recon APC is available in a variety of armor levels, including B4, B6, and B7. The vehicle can also be equipped with additional ballistic protection. The Malloy Aeronautics T-400 is a 4-seat, twin-engine, turboprop-powered aircraft designed and manufactured by Malloy Aeronautics, a small American aircraft manufacturer based in Sebring, Florida. The T-400 is a low-wing, all-metal aircraft with a tricycle landing gear. The aircraft is powered by two Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A, 114A turboprop engines, each producing 675 horsepower. The T-400 was first flown in 2000 and received its type certification from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in 2002. The aircraft is marketed as a high-performance, long-range personal and business aircraft. The T-400 has a maximum speed of 325 knots and a range of 1,200 nautical miles. The T-400 is a popular aircraft among private owners and corporate flight departments. TeledyneFlir ThermoSight HFD. The TeledyneFlir ThermoSight HFD is a high-definition thermal imaging camera that is designed for use in a variety of applications, including law enforcement. The ThermoSight HFD can be used by law enforcement officers to detect suspects and evidence in low-light or no-light conditions. Firefighting. The ThermoSight HFD can be used by firefighters to see through smoke and flames to locate victims and identify hot spots. Search and rescue. The ThermoSight HFD can be used by search and rescue teams to find lost or injured persons in remote or dangerous areas. Military. The ThermoSight HFD can be used by military personnel to detect enemy targets, observe the battlefield, and conduct surveillance. The ThermoSight HFD features a 640 by 512 pixel thermal sensor that produces high-resolution images. The Mawashi UPRISE is a load-bearing vest designed to improve posture and reduce back pain. The vest is made of a lightweight, breathable material and features a number of support straps and pads. The UPRISE is available in a variety of sizes to fit users of all body types. The UPRISE is designed to work by providing support to the lower back and core muscles. This support helps to improve posture and reduce pain. The vest can also help to improve circulation and reduce fatigue. The UPRISE is easy to put on and take off and can be worn under or over clothing. The vest is also machine washable for easy care. Here are some of the benefits of using the Mawashi UPRISE. Improve posture. The UPRISE helps to improve posture by providing support to the lower back and core muscles. This can help to reduce pain and improve alignment. Reduced back pain. The UPRISE can help to reduce back pain by providing support to the lower back and core muscles. This can help to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Increase circulation. The UPRISE can help to increase circulation by providing support to the lower back and core muscles. This can help to reduce fatigue and improve overall health. Reduced fatigue. The UPRISE can help to reduce fatigue by providing support to the lower back and core muscles. This can help to improve energy levels and performance.